If you're choosing between the new DJI Mic Mini 2 and the DJI Mic 3, the decision looks simple at first. But once you compare the features side by side, the differences are actually huge. One is ultra compact and built for simplicity, while the other is packed with pro-level controls and advanced audio features. So in this video, let's quickly compare them side by side across design, battery, audio, and smart features to see which one actually fits your setup. Design, build, and display. Starting with design, the DJI Mic Mini 2 is extremely small and lightweight at around 11 grams. It's designed to be minimal and almost invisible when clipped on, with magnetic attachment and simple controls. There's no display here, keeping everything very basic and beginner friendly. On the other hand, the DJI Mic 3 is slightly bigger, but feels more premium and solid. The biggest difference is the receiver, which includes a built-in touchscreen display. This gives you real-time control over audio levels, gain, and settings directly from the device. Battery life. In terms of battery, the DJI Mic Mini 2 actually performs better overall. It delivers around 11.5 hours on a single transmitter and up to 48 hours total with the charging case, making it ideal for long recording sessions. The DJI Mic 3 offers around 8 hours per unit and up to 28 hours with the case. Still reliable, but not as long-lasting as the Mini 2. Audio features. For audio, both support high-quality recording, but the level of control is very different. The DJI Mic Mini 2 provides 48 kHz 24-bit audio with basic noise reduction and preset sound profiles. It's designed for quick, clean recording without extra setup. The DJI Mic 3 goes much further with 32-bit float recording, adaptive gain control, and internal storage. This means your audio is protected from clipping and can be adjusted later during editing without losing quality. Smart features. When it comes to smart features, the gap becomes even clearer. The DJI Mic Mini 2 focuses on plug-and-play simplicity with quick pairing, mobile compatibility, and basic noise cancellation. The DJI Mic 3 includes advanced features like timecode support, multi-device recording, voice tone presets, and expanded connectivity options for professional setups. Range and connectivity. Both microphones offer up to around 400 meters of wireless range. However, the DJI Mic 3 includes more stable, dual-band transmission, making it more reliable in busy environments or complex shooting conditions. Which should you buy? If you want something simple, lightweight, and easy to use, the DJI Mic Mini 2 is a great choice for everyday content and mobile creators. But if you need better control, safer audio recording, and professional features, the DJI Mic 3 is clearly the better option. That's a full side-by-side comparison of DJI Mic Mini 2 versus Mic 3. Subscribe to Smart Tech Radar for more simple and real tech comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.